Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching Technoright. What's going on guys, welcome to Technoright, where technology is done right. So as my previous video, this is a follow-up to that video. So today we are going to build a $850 gaming PC. Okay, so without any disturbance, we are going to get straight into it. Okay, so as per the title, you would know that this is a Ryzen build. So this is my first Ryzen build on the channel, and yeah, hope you like it. Okay, so we are going with the R7 1700, not the X, not the 1800. We are going for the 1700. So my reason for going with the 1700, it has the cheapest price compared to the 1700X and the 1800. It has 8 cores, 16 threads, and it's astonishingly easy to overclock. And you don't have to spend extra money on the cooler because you have the AMD's new Wraith cooler, which is pretty sick. And I'm not sure whether that's the name of the cooler, so don't butcher me in the comments if I get that wrong. Okay, so the 1700 has the best, the best price to performance ratio on the AMD Ryzen lineup for now. But you would oppose to me and just say that, hey bro, the 1800X is the best. But yeah, I know that's the best, but for budget builders and for budget video editors, this is like awesome. It really helps in the budget industry of things. And yeah, so the 1700 really kicks videos and games if you just spend a little time overclocking it. So yeah. Okay, so now we are skipping to the motherboard, which is the heart of the build, which I have gone with the B350M Gaming Pro motherboard. Okay, so it has micro ATX form factor. It has 2 memory slots, and if you hate that, you can change the motherboard, as this is what fits into the budget build. And yeah, I'm trying to keep the budget low, so yeah. It supports up to 32 gigs of RAM, which is more than enough for 4K editing. It has RAID support, so you can throw in 2 or 3 SSD and just run them in RAID, which is equal to like super speed. So you can just keep on loading up video files like bam. It has a RAM speed support up to 3200 MHz, DDR4 of course. And the main thing that I like about this board, it has RAID accents with LED. So you have the RAID accents on the motherboard, and back of the motherboard you have like RAID LED. So it really suits for this build, since this is a red and black build. Okay, so the RAM, I've gone with the Corsair Vengeance DDR4 at 2133 MHz. Okay, so I don't have much things to say about this RAM, guys, because you would know this is a very popular RAM. I've gone with the 16GB kit, which is 2 sticks of 8GB. It has amazing price to performance ratio, and yeah, pretty much that. And it also has heat spreaders as a bonus, so you won't get overheat RAM if that's an issue. Okay, so yeah, being a budget 4K editing PC, you really need that speed. So I've gone with the combination of SSD and mechanical hard drive. So we have the PNY SSD. This is the 1311 edition. Yeah, it has an amazing price, $50, and you're done with an SSD which has 120 gigs. It's fast, it's reliable, and you can also store your video files there, your small video files, as this is a small SSD, or also you can run it as your boot drive, which is more than enough to help you start your PC and get it to work like straight away. Okay, so I know that 120 GB is of course not going to be enough, so we went with the 1TB WD Caviar Blue 7200 RPM. So this is basically for the large drives and videos and games drives. Oh my god, what did I just say? Okay, so it's just for the videos and games, so you can like store more videos even though it's big. So 1TB is more than enough. Okay, so now for the graphics card, this might be a little bit peculiar, but yeah. So I went with the GTX 1060 Superclock, which is an EVGA card, and yeah, the reason that I went for this card was because it has 3 GB of VRAM, which helps, which I know it helps in the preview section. So when you have Adobe Premiere or Sony Vegas on it, so you have a smooth preview when you have when you are editing in the timeline. So 3 GB of VRAM really helps, and also in the effects part. Okay, so also I went with the 1060 is because of the number of CUDA cores it has. It has 1000 over CUDA cores, so yeah, the CUDA cores will help in rendering the video, and yeah, pretty much it's best for the price. And you can also game at 1440p. I would say the highest, because this is not a 1440p card, but if you tone down the settings to medium or low, you might be able to get a 1440p well over 30 fps. So yeah, this rig, so if you want to make this rig into a gaming rig, 4K gaming rig, pretty simple. Throw in a GTX 1080 Ti and you're done. So yeah, if you have a budget for it. So yeah, the next part is the power supply, which is also by EVGA. It's a 500 watt 80 plus bronze power supply. So in PCPartpicker, I found out that the whole system consumes only about 312 watts, so that was quite low. So I went with the 500 watt just to make things somewhat easier for the computer to run. So it has more than enough juice for the system. It's reliable, and it's just amazing for the price. Okay, now for the case. It's the Roseville SRM01 Micro ATX Mini Tower case. So it has a small form factor, but it supports Micro ATX. It looks cute. Don't judge me, guys. It has one 5.25 bay, so you can throw in those circular magnets of yours, which is also known as the DVDs or CDs. Okay, so yeah, pretty much it looks awesome and it fits the budget, guys. Yeah, it comes at 20 bucks. Really, you can't argue for the price. It has really good cable management, as I saw the reviews on the PCPartpicker list. So yeah, pretty reasonable. And okay, so yeah, I think pretty much that wraps up our budget $850 4K video editing rig. So the total cost of this build is the budget for the total build cost, not too much, but yeah, it didn't go over the budget, so yeah, happy for that. It has a base total $852.22, but with mailing rebates for the power supply, which is $10 off, we bring that down to astonishing $842.22. So yeah, really beautiful, under the budget, and kicks in games and video and editing and rendering. So can't argue for the price, guys. So if you like these types of videos, please leave a like, comment. If you're interested in more budget builds, please list down your budgets and what kind of builds you want to see in future. And also dislike the video if you just hate it, but yeah, also subscribe to the channel if you like more interesting content like this. And yeah, I think pretty much that wraps up this video. So yeah, I think that's about it, guys. So please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.